We're all still doing this a lot, and it's blowing up our deals, just nobody articulates. We don't find out that that's why it was. I'll give you a little tool that I use that helps me on this and has helped me in the past. And in in-person meetings, if it was a really important meeting, I've actually printed out note sheets, right? And so we'll have a note sheet. It's like a legal pad. And then I have logos up here. I have dates up here. But the key here to avoiding this situation is when I printed out note sheets, I would always make, I don't know if you guys can see it, my art's a little bit bad, but I always make a box in the lower right-hand corner, okay? If it's a call and it's an important call, I still, as we're having the call, just like I was doing as you were talking, I make a little box. What the hell is this box? This box, I call it, you don't have to label it because this word has negative connotations, but essentially what this box is, I wrote the word homework there. That's a homework box, okay? And putting this box in the lower right-hand corner, the reason why it's in the lower right-hand corner is it allows me to do all my notes, okay? The lower right-hand corner is what? It's the end. Like if we were reading a book, this would be the end of the book. I know, and what I do is typically put a divider there, and then before the meeting ends, to your point, you were next step obsessed, but I take it one step further and go, okay, what's going to happen next? You're going to give the information to the client. Steve, that's on you. I'm going to shoot you the packet and the overview so that you have everything to get to the client. Does that match what you need? Steve goes, yes. Did I miss anything, Steve? And by the way, these are critical questions to ask. Did I miss anything? No, that's perfect. I'm going to give that to the client. Perfect. So I'll have that to you. Give me 3 hours. I'm going to give me an hour to get back to my office, 2 hours to put everything together. I will have that to you by close of business today. I'm going to have that to you. Then you, Steve, you're going to compile that and send that to the client. When will you be sending that to the client? I'll get it to him. Now Steve's like, oh crap, I didn't even think about that. Yeah, I have to. Problem solved, right? I'll get that to them next week. Perfect. When you say next week, what day are we thinking on that? I'll have it to him by Wednesday. Perfect. Steve, and I write it in there. Steve, you're going to deliver that by Wednesday. Perfect. So see, and I just recap one more time. Steve, I'll have everything over to you by close of business today. You're going to look at that, formulate it on your end. You're going to have it to the client on Wednesday. And then I go back to my section on the box. I'm going to call you Thursday just to make sure you had everything and it got over to the client as scheduled on Wednesday. Fair enough, and I put a fair enough at the end of it because I'm not being put, they go, yeah, no problem. Then on Thursday, I'm going to call Steve and go, hey Steve, Matt Easton over here at Acme, wanted to make sure you had everything and we're able to get that compiled and over to the client on Wednesday. Anything that you need or if that didn't go through, please let me know. In fact, if you could just let me know either way so I'm not worrying about it, I'm on my mobile 720-660-3202. Here's the point here that Peter brings up, okay? Never underestimate how unskillful the partners on your deal are. Also, and please don't fire me if your company is paying for this coaching, all right? I'm just keeping it real for you. Never underestimate how unskillful the other associates within your own organization can be. The only way to get over this is for you to micromanage the absolute living you-know-what out of the deal, but in a nice way. Okay, here's the not good way to micromanage it. Hey Steve, just wanted to see if you did it, right? You have to set expectations on that call. And setting the expectations on, I'm going to have this to you by close of business today. You're going to send it to the client by Wednesday. And then I'm going to touch base with you on Thursday to make sure everything got through, right? And then that way you're just saying, hey, as promised, it's Thursday afternoon. Wanted to make sure you were able to get everything over from the client. Even in that day, hey, Steve, as promised, I'm back at the office. I just hit send on the email we discussed. And I'm sending Steve a text. If you could text me back a thumbs up that you got it and you're on track to deliver it by Wednesday, that'd be awesome, right? That way I know it's not in some spam folder. We have to micromanage these deals. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you like this video, and you want to learn how to close, I want to give you my closing mini masterclass for free. Click the link somewhere around here or just simply comment with the word closer and I will get you access to the closing mini masterclass. I'll cover the $299 cost for you. It's free to you.